Universal Pictures brings you a very special motion picture experience. The first animated feature film presented by Steven Spielberg. An American Tale. The story of one family's journey to America and Fievel, their son, who got lost along the way.
Papa! Fievel! Fievel!
I'm coming, Papa!
An American Tale, a Don Bluth film, coming soon.
Papa!
Once upon a time, a little mouse made a big journey. But got lost
Papa!
along the way.
Fievel!
He found a land of enchantment,
Mama!
a land of new beginnings.
What's that over there?
Oh, that is more America.
Can we go see it?
Someday you will come true.
Now someday is today. As Steven Spielberg presents An American Tale, Fievel Goes West. The further adventures of the Mousekowitz family. As they meet old friends
Get me out of here! Tiger!
and new enemies.
What do we have here? It appears to be a young pioneer.
From the mean streets of New York City
I see you're missing an eye, Pilgrim. That's right. I'm talking to you.
to the wide open spaces where a young mouse can stand tall.
It's too tough, kid. Get out while you still can.
Where dreams can come true.
Someday I'll be a big star. So where's the girl you left behind?
And a cowardly cat can get a new start as
A dog.
A dog!
a dog
Come on, Tiger. We're rooting for you.
with the voice talents of Dom DeLuise,
Cat got your tongue?
Amy Irving,
After all, we'll always have the Bronx.
John Lovitz,
You place your last hand, shooter.
I got 7 more! Dog chow!
John Cleese,
Let the saliva flow!
and Jimmy Stewart.
You want to intimidate someone, give them the lazy eye.
An American Tale, Fievel Goes West.
In Russia, I was teacher of literature. In America, I'm cleaner of bird poop. I am lonely. Miss my language. I just would like someone to talk to.
Join the club.
What?
I said join the club.
He's intelligent. He can talk. Speak.
Now, don't you think if we had an animal with that kind of intelligence, somebody here would have noticed?
You can talk.
Of course I can talk.
Then why you not?
Does talking just get you in trouble?
How you say that?
It's a long story.
I'm Russian. I like long stories.
My life began with Marie.
You want some? Paulie is helping me learn some new words.
Birds don't teach. I don't think she can tell the difference between fantasy and reality. I really think that we should consider getting rid of the bird.
Marie? Marie!
Paulie!
Marie!
Come back to me, Paulie! I love you!
Now,
You gotta walk the walk.
Dreamworks Pictures presents A Journey of 1,000 Miles.
I have to find my friend.
That begins with a single parrot.
Can you tell me where I am?
You can talk.
They talk.
They don't talk. I say taco, they say taco.
Taco, taco, taco.
Blueberries are blue. Are cranberries crayon?
Are boysenberries boys or girls?
What is this?
It's a flashcard, you idiot.
How do I score that?
Score this!
Who's learning that talking can get you into trouble.
Hit the bricks, ugly.
You train the bird to insult your customers?
No, I can tell you're ugly all by myself.
Somebody has to teach this beautiful bird some manners.
But friendship
I really like you a lot.
I really like you a lot.
Are you just repeating what I'm
Are
saying?
you just repeating what I am saying?
gives you wings to fly. Discover America through the eyes of Paulie.
When I first came to the boss's farm, it was a whole new world to me. Everyone here seemed to know their place. The boss and his wife, the sheepdogs, the sheep, and all the other animals. Well, almost.
We've got to do something about that duck.
Now I just have to figure out where I fit in. I want my mom.
Good heavens. Who are you?
Babe.
There. The little pig's a bit low. He's going to sleep with us.
But Mom, you wet the bed. What are you?
You.
Pig. What are you?
I'm a you. A you.
This is the story of a brave soul
Hello, sir. Get out of here.
who is trying to find his destiny.
Can I learn how to work the sheep today?
Get him up, pig.
Remember, you have to dominate them. Bend them to your will.
He knew his path would not be easy.
I'm not sure if you realize how much the other animals are laughing at you.
It's not a duck that thinks it's a rooster, it's a pig that thinks it's a dog.
He should accept what he is and be thankful for it. But now he's determined
They're sheep. They're inferior.
Oh, no, they're not.
to take care of business
All a nice little pig like you need do is ask.
his way.
Thanks very much. It was very kind of you. A pleasure. What a nice little pig.
From Universal Pictures comes the story of Babe,
You look like an intelligent, sophisticated, discerning young fella. Who, me?
the pig with the gift of gab,
La la la.
nerves of steel,
Get out of here, you big buttheads.
and a heart
May I call you Mom?
of gold. Babe,
You've heard about them. You've seen them. And now they're here. From the producers of Hercules, The Legendary Journeys, and Zena, Warrior Princess.
The ancient prophecy has come true at last. The Titans have escaped from their prison in Tartarus.
If I let you pass, you pledge to leave the mortal world alone and take your fight to Mount Olympus.
Comes the action-packed, full-length animated feature you've been waiting for.
If Ares doesn't want Hercules to go up to Thebes, then it's probably the best place for Hercules to be.
We will attack Mount Olympus, regain the sacred stone of our father Kronos, and rule the universe.
The real Hercules, the only Zena.
A champion of mortal blood can defend you from the big bad Titans.
Hercules and Zena, the animated movie, The Battle for Mount Olympus. This exciting tale takes the characters from the smash hit television series and continues their journeys to spectacular, wondrous places like you've never seen before. Hercules and Zena, the animated movie, The Battle for Mount Olympus, from Universal Studios.
Have you ever bought or rented a videotape that wasn't quite right? It may have been a pirate copy, an illegal and inferior copy for which you paid good money. Pirated tapes are recognizable by poorly presented or photocopied jackets, poor sound and or picture quality, the lack of censor and other labels on the face and spine of the tape, and the absence of warnings, such as this at the beginning of the tape presentation. Pirate tapes rob artists and studios of their rightful income and add to the cost of a video to the consumer. Video piracy is a major problem in Australia. Please help us stop it. If you buy or rent a tape which you believe is not the genuine article, please phone this toll-free number for advice. Or write to Post Office Box 515 Mona Vale, New South Wales 2103. This message is brought to you by the Australasian Film and Video Securities Office.